Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about setting up a small track and getting practice in. This is an evolution of the race practice series where I've just been uploading DVR, but now on top of that, I'm going to add some audio where I'm going to talk about the track, how I feel about it, and I'm also going to show you how I set up the track and how to use as little elements as possible. You don't need gates just to practice. You can practice with practically anything. So now, what we're going to do is I'm just going to show you around and I'm just going to use, I think, 6 cones and 6 saucers. So I decided to use this area to do some power loops and slaloms. I can use the coconut trees as slaloms. Here, there's a tractor which I've tried going under, but I end up damaging my battery since I bottom mounted, and I do end up hitting the ground quite a bit. So I don't really want to crash here because look, it's full of cement and concrete. My aim, rather than just to keep getting faster, is to smoothen out my lines and smoothen out my turns. As you can see, I've created some staggered slaloms with uneven distance between them and which are not in a straight line. This is usually harder to turn around than normal slaloms and should help me improve better. Here's a tractor. Like I said, gap below it is manageable, but it's quite small. So I don't really want to risk anything. Maybe when I get faster, I can try something. Another thing you need to know is your skill level, so you can design a track which is based around your skill level. So here, I decided to help me line up to put 2 cones about this distance from each other. This is kind of a gate. I try to go through them and as low as I can. Put some saucers here to help me align with the turn. Coming out of there, which is why I'm going to do 2 power loops. I mean 1 power loop. With that. So after that trip, I've actually tried doing this track once or twice before. So what I've realized is that I kind of get confused when I come here. So what I've decided is, I'm gonna use some saucers. I have 3 more. So I put 1 saucer here, 1 saucer here, and 1 saucer here. So this kind of graduates into the turn, so I know exactly where the turn is. Also, not to confuse that turn with this turn, I'll move the saucer here, so it aligns just like that. Now I'm going to do a few slow laps before I try going fast, though I might not be going that fast. Sorry if there's no drone audio, but I'll be talking, so that should be enough. Okay, so I'm kind of cutting the straight shot when I start. So as I enter this, I'll do that. That wasn't very good, but I'll keep going. Go in here. Do the power loop, go in there. Then here I go around the tractor, around the tree, go that, and go around the cone. That's it. Simple track, so should help improve myself. Reducing my altitude there to help with the approach. Going give a nice roll to get myself in the corner and not drift wide. Pitch should ideally be a lot less than the roll. That's what I'm trying. Oh guys, I forgot something. Ooh. Well, that was a nice way to land, so I can go. Awesome brain of PV Radix, and I can put, wait, where's that? Brain OSD. What's that? Speed scale, no. Map, no. Yeah, show sticks. Mode 2, yes I am mode 2. Go and save that. I think it saves. Save and exit. Yeah, you guys can see my sticks. I was aggressive and unnecessary. Never sacrifice speed. Never sacrifice smoothness for speed. That was a bad one. Around that. Remember that this is something I read on Top Wash, so I am quoting the guys. Slow is smooth and smooth is speed. I'm pretty sure Evan Turner also said that. Read Top Wash is, I don't know how to say that, but read the advanced racing tutorials on Top Wash. They're quite unique because they do give you some nice drills and they analyze racing in a quite interesting and scientific way. Oh, gosh. And you analyze racing in quite an interesting and scientific way. Like, you take into account the momentum of the quad when you're cornering. Slowly back. Yeah, they give you some really nice, cool, unique drills which I haven't seen anywhere else. I need to improve this area. That wasn't an improvement, you can see. So I want to stay here. That was an improvement. So I have enough speed to carry myself through that. Go round, 180. Go around, yeah. Also, you should never go too fast into a turn. Oof, I'm not the person to say that. So, down. But you should also not slow down too much instead. Like, be focusing and going smooth. Oh god. And you lose out in the straight. That was bad. Also remember not to push yourself too hard and break your stuff, and try to practice over grass. I usually practice over grass, but this is a huge place to practice, so I can't resist the temptation. And remember that if you break something, you can't fly for a while. So you're losing a lot of stick time, and that's more important than pushing yourself to the nth degree. I limit my throttle to 80%. So you might want to do that. You might want to limit your throttle too. I don't know I messed that up. Low back speed. Only 30 seconds. I actually see reducing flight time at this stage a good thing. Because what reducing flight time does is it means you're going faster. Which is always a good thing. It's a newer pack, so should have a little less sag. I didn't feel much sag, but either way, should have a little less sag. And I should go quite fast. So always add some diversity to your track. So as you can see, I have like 2 slalom sections. It should be enough to improve slalom. When you go to a race and you haven't practiced slaloms, that's a major area to slow down. Also remember the sim can always help. So don't even, like a lot of people practice on the sim before they start, they get their quad and then they forget about it after that. You shouldn't do that because it really helps. Oh god. Oh god. That was bad. So you take that to go down. Reduce RPM there, help your a little too high when I do that. Go through. Easy elements like that will always throw you off if you've not done it before and you're going to an ace doing it. Ooh, I can already feel this track being a little faster. Almost messed that up. I'm just not getting this. I don't know why. I don't need to. Stick cam is also a good way for you to analyze how you're moving the stick. Like I feel like I can slow down that and take those slaloms much faster if I do that loop. So you might, yeah, go through that. Back up. It's still not done. Go through, around, keep it tight, 180, around, go, yeah. Perfect. Well, not perfect, but much better. That is something. So you start with looking for improvement. So I took that a little wider than I usually do. But if I was faster, that. Whew, went through that. One important thing is to not oh, I almost crashed into myself. Freaky when do that, squeeze myself. So consistency. What somebody told me, consistency is always better than getting one fast lap and crashing out on every other lap. Of course, you have to be fast, but you also have to be consistent. Also, don't keep practicing the same tracks. I mean, you can come back to tracks, maybe shuffle tracks, but it's always good to do new stuff because you're never going to get the same track twice when you go to a race. Every race has. So you need to practice how you can adapt to different tracks. Rather than getting faster at a track, try getting faster at the element because that's what might repeat. You might get the same kind of turn. Practice happens. Turns like that are important. As you can see, I wasn't really pushing it in this phase because I know I should practice that, but it's like that. But low battery. Woohoo! Okay, guys, that's it. 2 packs done in about 10 minutes. So, turn all this stuff off. Thanks for watching, guys. You may have noticed I'm recording now on my. I've been recording all the flights too with my phone because make sure I save the DVR. I've been recording all the flights with my phone because the camera battery died. But thanks for watching.